Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Today we are going to learn about bisection method. We are from Big Hero 6, which consists of 3 people, me, Nazura, Hafiz and also Farid. So bisection method is a way to find the roots of a polynomial equation. As an alternative way, we can also use Excel to calculate the roots. Okay, today I'm going to explain how we can use the bisection method manually. So given the equation x cubed minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0. So we substitute any values such as 0, 1, 2 and 3. And we can see here for x equal to 2 and x equal to 3, we get a positive value and also a negative value. From there, we take the value of x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 as the interval. So we have to find the midpoint between 2 and 3 and we get 2.5. After that, we will substitute the midpoint into the function and we get negative 3.375. So our new interval is 2.5 and 3. Now we have to repeat the same step for x equal to 3. And we get the midpoint for 2.5 and 3. We get 2.75. And we repeat the same step, which is we substitute the value and we get 0.76. So we see here the function is still not equal to 0. So we have to repeat the same step over and over again until we get the equation equal to 0. For this example, I have to repeat 11 times until I get the actual root, which is 2.700. So we can conclude that if we use bisection method manually, it requires a lot of time and also it will cause a bigger human error than we use the Excel. So my friends Hafiz and Farid will explain more detail about how we can use bisection method in the Excel.
Hi, I'm gonna explain how to use the bisection method in Excel. So for the first step, we need to make a sample table with established iteration, value of A, function of A, B, function of B, C, function of C, and then function of A times the function of C, and then function of A times the function of C, and then error which is B minus A. Okay, let's say our value is A is 5 and then B is 10, and then the function of A, we just copy our function which is negative 0.6 x to the power of 2 plus 2.4x plus 5.5. Same goes for the function of B, just copy the same function but substitute the value of x with the value of B. Okay, for the value of C, we need to add the value of A with the value of B, then divide it by half. Then the function of C, just copy the same function and substitute the x with C value. Alright. Okay, then we just multiply the value of function of A to the function of C. And then this, we multiply the value of function of B to the function of C. And then for the error, B minus A, the value of B minus A. Okay, and then for the next value A, we need to use if statement, which is if the value of this is less than 0, then we take the value of A as the true statement, and then the value of C as the false statement. Same goes for B. If the value of this is less than 0, we take the value of B as the true statement and the value of C as the false statement. Then we just copy from the output. Then we can copy it all to all of them to the ground. So we have many iterations right now. Okay, next we are going to make the chart. Okay, let's say our value of A is 0.1, and then we just copy it. Okay, and then just copy the value of A and then the value of the function of A, and then we can make the chart using the function, one of the feature of the Excel. Okay, so then we get the chart. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Yay, we got the chart.